I'm going to show you just how quickly you can change your tap into a shower or a hose pipe in just seconds. All you need to do is unscrew the part on the end of the tap. Most people don't know you can even unscrew these bits. This, you'll see, has a rubbish wire gauze which doesn't do anything at all, so it's not saving you water or energy or money by adding air into the water stream. So this is not an aerator in my opinion. So then all you need to do is take the Every Drop is Precious Quick Fit Tap Aerator product and screw it into the end of the tap. It comes with various adapters to satisfy lots of different tap sizes. So then you screw that part on and now you're ready. You can use your tap like normal whenever you want to. Normal air added water stream, saving you water, energy and money. And then the hose connector part that comes pre-fitted to the tap aerator in the packet, you just screw onto one end of your shower hose. Very easy to do. And then you just slide the hose onto the tap and now you can use a shower. Perfect for hair washing the basin, perfect for washing your poorly pets or just washing your pets if they stink. Or your baby for that matter. Remember, I used to get baths in the sink.